Hi guys, in this video we will see how to remove flashlight from your iPhone lock screen. After iOS 18 update, you can easily change lock screen items. You can see two items available, flashlight and camera. Now we will change, you can easily change iPhone lock screen items. Here are the process. Unlock your iPhone first. And from the top left corner, swipe down your iPhone and your iPhone lock. Tap and hold the screen, tap on customize, and now tap and hold lock screen as well as black screen, and such type of interface appear. Swipe between styles. Now minus sign appear on your screen. Change, simply tap on minus sign which you want to change, and now tap on plus icon. Tap on plus icon and choose another item which you want to keep on your lock screen. We will choose calculator. Tap on it and you can see calculator is successfully added to your iPhone lock screen page. Tap on done from the top right corner, and now your iPhone lock screen duly customized with calculator app and camera app. So you can easily change lock screen item under iOS 18 update on your iPhone. That's all.